before they leave. Throw.
Don't come by me! Don't come by me! No!
Just throw it way up in the air. Don't you move. Don't move. Throw it. Oh, there they go.
No, go over there! Go over there!
Wait, throw it way up. Oh, there you go. Julia!
Okay,
I don't like this anymore!
you're the one that wanted them to come.
Don't move. Don't move backwards. You run into the ocean. They're just expecting you to just throw it
If
up
one
in the
poops
air.
on me, you're in trouble.
Just throw it straight in the air. Try to hit them. There you go.
No, God. Okay.
Just throw
Make
it
them
that
go
way.
away now.
There you go. See? Oh, straight in the air, real high. Real high. Oop. Oh, he dropped it. Throw! Throw it high. There you go. Whoa! Nice.
Follow her.
Oh, it caught it in its mouth.
Oh, God. Don't poop on me, Natalie. I'm going to kick your butt if they poop on me.
I don't got any more food!
Okay.
Go away! Go away!
Okay.
Oh, my God.
They got the